In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install fonts in Elementor. If you're looking to personalize your website, changing the font style can make a big difference in how your content is presented and perceived. Let's dive into the process to give you a unique and striking design for your site. So, first things first, open up your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look over at the sidebar on the left. This is where you'll find all of your customization options. We're specifically looking for the Elementor settings. You might need to scroll down a bit, but once you find Elementor, go ahead and click on it. The next step is to locate the Custom Fonts section. This might be under the Custom Fonts menu, so click on that option. Now, this is where the fun begins. You're going to add a new font. To do this, click on the Add New button. It's usually located at the top of the page, ready for you to begin creating. Now, here's where you'll name your font. It's important to choose a clear, memorable name, especially if you're going to be using multiple custom fonts on your site. Once named, you'll be prompted to upload the font files. A quick tip here, make sure you've got your font files ready to go before you start. They're usually in formats like TTF, OTF, WOFF, or WOFF2. Just drag and drop your files into the upload area and watch them upload. After uploading, you'll see options to add different font styles and weights, like thin, regular, bold, and so on. This step makes your typography versatile, allowing you to use different font weights across your website with ease. Select the style you need and ensure they're all uploaded here. Great, now that your fonts are added, they're ready to be used in the Elementor editor. Head over to any page you've created with Elementor. Once there, click to edit a text element. A text editor panel will open on the left side. Now, you'll want to select the Font Family section from this panel. This is where your newly uploaded fonts will appear, so scroll through the list and find the font name you created earlier. Select your new font, and instantly see the change in your page design. Play around with different settings, changing the font size, weight, and style, until you find a combination that matches the look you're going for. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune how your text displays across the entire site and ensures a cohesive look. And that's it, your newly installed custom fonts are ready to give your website a fresh new look. Adding new fonts really provides a unique touch and helps in conveying your brand's personality. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on mastering Elementor.